How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. To start, open the YouTube app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now, select the video and tap on the three dots next to the video. Here, tap on share in the drop-down menu. Then, copy the link of the video. Next, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Swipe towards the right side to reach the story area. After that, tap on the create option and capture the photo. Paste the link in the given area on your story. You can also tap on the sticker icon on the top. Tap on the link and paste the link in the given area. Finally, hit the done button to share YouTube video on Instagram story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.